guys, I'm from Tech Insider India, and this is the Boya M1 wired mic. This is something that you plug inside your smartphone, your DSLR, your computer, doesn't matter. This is something that will transform your audio to the next level. So let's quickly unbox this, but before that, let me read out some features that are written at the back of this box. Now, first of all, it's a clip-on mic that can be used with smartphones, camcorders, so on and so forth. It is also an omnidirectional condenser microphone, which means that it can take sound from a single direction. That's why it's good. It includes a lapel clip, LR44 battery, foam windscreen, and a 1/4-inch adapter as well. So all that is good. So let's quickly unbox it and check out the tech. There you go. So this is your getting started guide. This will walk you through the different features of this microphone. These are a bunch of stickers that you can use if you want to, and this is your warranty card. Now let's take out the contents of this little handy traveling pouch. First of all, you have this microphone, and this is the remote that we'll get to in just a moment. This is your coin-sized battery, a 1/4-inch adapter, a clip, and finally your foam windscreen. So let's keep all of this aside. So first what I'm going to do is insert this LR44 battery into this remote. This is so that you can switch between the different modes of this mic. There we go. It's securely put in. Now there is a switch over here that lets you go between camera mode and smartphone mode, which is very self-explanatory. Just in case you are trying to connect to a smartphone, you're supposed to keep this little switch on the bottom, and then if you want to connect it to a camera or a computer, then you're supposed to turn it up, and that will be the more compatible mode for that particular thing. And when it comes to this little clip and this little windscreen, all you have to do is just place this on top of it, just like that, and this clip snaps on this, and then you can connect it to your collar or anything that suits you. The length of this cable is very long, and it's about 6 meters. That's good for any kind of studio operation. And then you have this 1/4-inch adapter that hooks onto this end of the 3.5 millimeter connector, and then you can put this wherever a 1/4-inch input is required. And that was it for this quick unboxing of the Boya M1 lavalier microphone. I really hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.